guys, welcome back to Math Smarts, and today we're going to be drawing a puppy. So first, what you would want to do is make an oval for the eyes. Just like this. And then another one for his second eye, but a little bit farther away. And if I were you, I wouldn't draw it really hard, because if you mess up, it would be hard to erase. So there you go. Now after that, you are going to want to draw like a triangle on like this, like a beak. It kind of looks like a beak. So you have a V and then a curve up above to it and fill it in. So then we're going to draw the face, like the outer line of the face. So you want it a little bit like, you want it to curve a little, but also have a little bit of a steep edge. Just like this. Just like this. And then now, right on top of it, you're going to do this. And just so you know, it shouldn't have a pointy edge over here, and it should be curved like this. Now you're gonna do this to both spots. Just like that. So now after you have that, you're going to connect both ears. And it's going to curve a little upwards. Now put a circle around one of the eyes. And I made a mistake, so I should have had my eye about right here. So, now I have to shade it in, and it's perfect. So now you have to make like a line right under the nose, and then bring a line underneath. So make a T, Ellie. And then after you make a T, we're going to now draw his legs, and it's going to look like a J. just like this. Make it go out as far as possible. Now you can see the feet coming out here. And then the same thing here. Just like that. Now, after you've done that, we're gonna now make the fingers of his leg. And then after that, we'll be making his back legs. So like this. Just like that. Now, we're gonna connect the head. Like that. And put like a circle connecting to the bottom of his feet. Same thing here. Now right here we did this because that's his paw. This is gonna be connected to right here. Now that's so far, and then we're going to now draw his tail. So go out here and curve it a little. And pull it out. You can make his tail out as long as you want, but I prefer doing it like this. Now that's done with the dog, but now we can draw his food if you would like. So now draw a curve and then a tiny circle in between. And then another line over it. And just like that. Now you can name him whatever you want, but I'm gonna name him Fluffy. Now here's his water. And now we're gonna be coloring this. And I'll show you guys the final picture.